Hello everybody, I'm introducing you to Condo B252 Versalles. This is a two bedroom, two bathroom, and laundry room here on my right side. Here is Here is the dining room area, full kitchen, stainless steel appliance, Parota cabinets. There is a wraparound terrace here. This is the master bedroom. It connects with the balcony. This is the master bathroom. Large shower. And we are going to the second bedroom. Here's the second bedroom. If you want more information on this property, please log on to Puerto Vallarta Property Rentals and look for Condo B252 Versalles.